Using Android as a microphone for desktop is a very simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you how to exactly do it. So first thing first, let's open up your Google Chrome. So once you are in your Google Chrome, go to the search bar, and in the search bar type Volmic download. In the Volmic, go to this website which says Volmic free microphone, and all you have to do is to install it on your mobile phone first. So make sure that you open up your Android device and install it on your device. For that, open up your Android, go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, go to the search bar, and in the search bar, go to the Volmic. So when you will search it up, you will have this web application. So when you have this application, just simply install it. So once you do it, you have to get back to your PC. Now you have to install these two applications. First one is driver and the second one is the application for the Windows. So make sure that you install both of them. Once you have downloaded it, make sure that you run up the setup. So the setup will look like this. All you have to do is to press OK, then next, and then next, and make sure that you wait till the application is installed. Then click on I want to manually reboot later, and then finish up. So open up your application and then go to the connection. In the connection, go to the connect. Make sure that you are connected with the Wi-Fi and your mobile phone is connected with the same Wi-Fi as well. So open up the application in your mobile phone as well. Go to the setting and then go to the transport. In the transport, make sure that you have selected Wi-Fi as well and Wi-Fi on the PC as well. You will have a separate IP address for the Android device. Make sure that you put the same IP address in the phone IP address in the details section of the application in your desktop. So once you will do it, you will be able to connect it with. So here I have to write 192.168.18.200. The number of the IP address would be different for you as it is a unique IP address. So this is how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.